welcome to Pastor's Pantry. We're going to be making one of my favorite tailgate recipes for you because there's a big game on today. It is our Italian nachos. You're going to need some wonton wrappers, you're going to need some pepperoni, you're going to need some hot, spicy Italian sausage, you're going to need some pepper rings, and you're going to need patterfams, arrabbiata sauce, and a whole boatload of mozzarella cheese. So let's get cooking. Okay, the first thing we need to do is prepare our chips. We've got regular wonton wrappers here, and we're just cutting them in fours and then cut them in half again, and continue to do that till you use up the entire package. We're going to first heat up some canola oil. We've got canola oil setting up in a shallow pan. We want to put that on medium-high heat, and we want to bring that up to 350 to 370 degrees. Now what I've got here is some spicy hot Italian sausages in links, and we're just pressing that out of the casings and putting it in the pan over medium-high heat. What I'm going to do is break up those links and brown it in the skillet. Okay, now that we've got our meat all browned, we're going to go ahead and pull that off. And hey, our oil's ready. It's at 375 degrees. Lay your chips in very gently into the hot oil. You're going to be able to do about 6 or 7 at a time. These fry so quick. As soon as you get them in, you want to just start turning them over. Just a few seconds on each side till they're light golden brown. See how quick that goes? Then you just want to remove those. I'm using a spider here. Remove those to a paper towel. Give them a light salt while they're still hot. You should end up with a great mound of golden, crispy fried wonton chips. Okay, we're getting ready for the big game. We're at my brother's house. We're excited about watching the big game. It's time to put it all together and get it in the oven. Set your oven to broil. Okay, we want to put all our chips in a nice even layer. Next you want to cover it with your sausage. Next you want to make sure you get a good coat of pepperoni on there. Next we layer on all of our banana pepper rings. And then we want to just put a liberal amount of mozzarella cheese. The little cheese is good, a lot of cheese is better. Now you want to get this underneath the broiler just until the top turns brown. Okay, it's come out of the oven. It's nice and golden brown. We're going to try this out. We just take some patterfam arrabbiata sauce, dip it in there, give it a shot. Oh man, it's fantastic. I'm ready for the kickoff. We'll see you in the kitchen.